At Noblis, we work with the United States Department of Transportation to tackle challenges in our increasingly complex roadway system. Our roadways move more than 3 trillion vehicle miles each year, but with congestion and significant loss of life. Further, our gas tax-based roadway funding model is increasingly unsustainable. The Noblis solution is a combination of vehicle automation, wireless connectivity, and blockchain technology at scale, dramatically improving travel safety, system carrying capacity, and roadway financing. Central to this vision is Noblis's Pieces of 8 concept, which orchestrates the motions of unfamiliar vehicles. Imagine 4 vehicles approach an intersection with no stop signs or signal control. A safe, efficient maneuver plan is needed. With Pieces of 8, autonomous vehicles and human drivers can quickly establish maneuver plans that reflect each individual vehicle's capacity. First, the vehicles create a collective local obstacle map weighted by the earned trust of each vehicle's sensor systems in previous encounters. Next, vehicles identify the time and space they require to maneuver, as well as a willingness to pay for priority. Conflicts are resolved with a sealed bid auction. Vehicles with winning bids receive path priority, while yielding vehicles are compensated. When all vehicles have feasible paths, the collective maneuver plan is documented as a multi-party transaction. As the vehicles maneuver, they report how precisely their peers adhere to the plan. Vehicles off plan are held accountable if the plan is disrupted. Transactions are recorded on the Pieces of 8 blockchain, and trust scores for each vehicle are updated. Trust scores reflect vehicle sensor reliability and maneuver accuracy. The blockchain also reserves 1/8 of transaction value for roadway infrastructure. Roadway financing is based on value generated, not simply fuel consumption. Noblis has created a physical demonstration of this concept using autonomous 3D printed rovers negotiating in a shared arena. Collective mapping, right-of-way negotiation, and path planning are automated. Pieces of 8 has the potential to dramatically improve safety, quadruple peak roadway system carrying capacity, and provide a sustainable funding source for roadway operations. Further, this approach can be used to orchestrate actions among autonomous machines in the air, on water, and in space, for the best of reasons.